Hang in there, ladies. You're almost there. The holidays are just around the corner. So here is a working makeup tutorial to help inspire you over the next few weeks. I've just started off with our trio and I've added a little bit of the Trini BFF cream just for that bit of extra coverage. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the eye brightener just underneath the eyes there, just to really brighten my face. A bit of translucent powder, obviously just to set it, you want it to last all day. And I'm using a cream blush today. I just find that these are really helpful on those days where you've got makeup on for a long time. So now I'm going to be doing my brows, just a bit of brow gel and a bit of brow liner. And I'm gonna take that and put that on my eyes, just on the outer edges, just to give a little bit of contouring. Finish that off with some mascara. And of course, our new limited edition Summer Nude to complete the look. And that's it, ready for work.